Alright, so in this video we are going to be cutting some long layers. Now, before we get into the layering, we need to cut in the outline. Now, my model wanted to keep her hair on the longer side, so we're just doing a trim on the length. Not taking a whole lot off, but just strengthening up that outline. So the very first thing I'm going to do is take A-line sections on both the right side and the left side. You can see I've got A-line sections right now. I've got the clips holding the hair. Here I go, taking another A-line section. And I'm going to work my way up the head by taking A-line sections, combing the hair down, and as I comb it down over the previous section, that previous section is my guide for the current section. So I'm going to establish the length of the entire haircut by taking A-line sections all the way up until I have completed cutting the new length for the whole entire haircut. Alright, so now that the length has been completed, it's time to do the layering in the front. So as you can see, I'm holding the hair in my hand, and I'm basically taking my scissors and drawing in the desired frame-to-face layers that I want. So I'm holding it right there in my fingers, in my hand, and then just working my way up from the outline to the shortest layer, which is at about her lip area, and I'm going to do this on both the right side and the left side. Alright, so now that I've done the right side, it's time to do the frame-to-face layering on the left side. So, using that same line that I've already cut, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side. Alright, now that the layering in the front has been done, it's time to do the interior length through the rest of the haircut. So as you can see, I got a center section, and I'm combing that hair out and up. And by combing it up, it allows me to round the corner, which is going to make the haircut, the layering, I should say, much lighter. So now that I've completed cutting that very first section, which is going to be my guide for the rest of the sections, I've taken another section to the right of that previous section, and I'm combing this current section that I'm cutting right now to the previous section, using that previous section as my guide for the rest of the layering on the right side. Now, once I complete the layering on the right side, I will do the exact same thing on the left side. So now that the layering is done on the right side, it's time to do the layering on the left side. So exact same process, combing the hair over to the previous section, using the previous section as your guide to know how short to cut the layers on the section that you are holding. So we've come to the end of another long layered haircut. As you can see, the hair has now been dried. She's got a lot more volume around the face because we did the frame the face layering. We've made it a lot lighter around her face so she can get that volume in the front if she desires. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section below. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching. But check out these layers. You can see how light the layers are by rounding that corner. It's a little bit lighter up on top than if you didn't round the corner, which is going to give your model or your client more volume. All right, thanks again for watching.